Hello, this is Marky and today I would like to tell you about coconut oil. I discovered coconut oil about 2 years ago. I bought it in a store after a recommendation from a certain Mrs. Marie, whom I will talk about a bit more later. A jar of 300 milliliter volume, high-quality oil cost around $14. Back then I thought it was quite pricey, and I was reluctant because I had yet to understand the true value of this wonder. I thought it was quite excessive. When I got home and tried it out, I couldn't comprehend just how great the taste is. The coconut oil was disappearing as quickly as things like Nutella or chocolate. Afterwards, I had sort of a coconut break, and only recently did we decide to give it another shot. There are a few reasons for this. Most importantly, it's our friends, the people who visit our site. They are curious and want to absorb as much information as possible, which is good, and we are pleased, because it makes us discover new food, supplements, teas, etc. Thanks to these questions and other discussions, we will start preparing homemade yogurt suitable for SCD, about which we weren't very excited at all. And then there are the health reasons. Because we don't just want to end with SCD, we want to further our diet. We want the food that nurtures us to be elevated. Eat more fresh vegetables, more fresh fruits, and thus receive more enzymes and energy. We want cleansing and detox, get rid of parasites and heavy irons in our bodies. And this is where coconut oil comes in, which was originally recommended by Mr. Zajíček, who studies cleansing of the body and health on his website. We bought a few kilograms of the coconut oil and we got to work. Here I need to emphasize that, as we found out with Radek, getting the right product of good quality is extremely vital. And this of course reflects on the price. We went through the experience of buying a cheaper product, refined, for cooking. And we started eating it raw for the heavy iron detox. It did not make us feel good at all, and we quickly started to realize our mistake and what is necessary to stay truly healthy. So our recommendation is, for cooking, the refined oil without aroma is suitable for cooking salty and sweet meals. But for meals otherwise, the ones that help you heal and cleanse, it's necessary that it's the cold-pressed virgin oil rich with the coconut scent. And finally, I'm getting to Mrs. Marie, whom I mentioned in the beginning. If you want to get some really valuable information, check out her site jisem.com. And if you want to heal or cook yourself something good and according to SCD, then our site is healwithmeal.net.